Hi, I'm Sadew. This is my final project for RYSERA STEM. When we were young, we all said we want to be a doctor, an engineer, but did we really mean it? Almost everyone said it, including me. What if you could discover your perfect career before making a single decision? That is exactly what my project is. Future Me helps you discover your path before you walk it. It's an AI-powered career guidance platform that helps users find that right career path based on their interest and personality. So let's find out what it's capable of. Let's go to the demo.
So let's start that. So this is the website I built. You have two ways to find out your future path. You can take the quiz or you can type your interest. First of all, let's try the quiz. You can select two answers for any question if you have two answers for it, or you can select one answer. I'm just putting some random answers for this, uh, like this. Next, click on next. Next, now select get my careers. Now it's analyzing our answer. Let's see what we get. So these are the results for my quiz. It will show you the best 6 results for your quiz. All of these results are generated by an AI. Now let's try adding some interest. Type your interest in here and click on add. Now it will automatically generate result for our interest. See, and every answer contains what it fits for you and salary range for the job and top companies hiring for this job and qualification we need to complete and entry path for the career. If you click view career timeline, it will show your journey from the beginning to the end and how the salary increment will happen, and you can use view jobs in LinkedIn to find out job vacancies for this. If you have any question about this job, just click on Ask a Robot. It will provide you a detailed answer for this. If you have any other question, just type it. It will answer any question regarding to this. If you need to boost the accuracy, you can add your skills in here. Now it's filtering and finding best career path for us, like this. And you can use skill gap analyzer for analyze your skills and what you need to complete, or according to your skills what is good for you, like this, and it will provide what are the skills you need to complete for this job.
Now you've seen what Future Me capable of. Think less, choose smart. Your future is not something you're waiting for. It's something you design. And Future Me helps you to design it. Thank you.